What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can tell, I'm not in my car, so I told myself that wherever my Cutlass is, I will not leave that spot until I get that Cutlass started, until it's running, so I can drive it away. So I'm not in my car. I'm actually on my electric scooter. Got my toolbox, and I got my backpack on with some stuff in it. I got my tripod so I can take my thumbnail picture, and I got my other toolboxes in there, and the fuel pump to the Cutlass. So I told myself I wasn't leaving the spot where the Cutlass is until I get that Cutlass started. So that's the deal that I'm gonna have to do. So hopefully I can do it and don't disappoint y'all again, bro, because I've been letting y'all down on a couple of these videos and it don't feel right for real. But make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification button to all. And I gotta finish my ride to the Cutlass. I'm almost there, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't too far away. But it's cold out here. It's like 45 degrees today. So it's a lot. It's really cold, I ain't gonna lie, so I'm freezing. That's probably why y'all see me with this big old jacket with the fur on. Y'all won't see me wearing this too much because I don't like wearing it. But I'm finna get ready to finish my little ride back to the Cutlass. Let me see, where's my phone? It's 11:47 right now. Y'all can see it's 11:47, December 20th. So I have to, hopefully I can try and finish this within a couple hours. Hopefully it don't take me too long to finish this. So we finna try and see what we can do, really. I don't really know what all I need to do, really. I know I put gas in, I put gas treatment in it to fix the gas. And I threw a new battery on there. It really wasn't nothing wrong with the car, it's just been sitting. So I just gotta figure out what I need to do. But make sure y'all hit that like button for me, stay tuned. I'm finna finish my ride on the scooter to the car. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the Cutlass, as y'all can see. I have to uncover it, but we done made it to it. Riding on the, you feel me, that little scooter. But we finna go ahead and uncover this Cutlass. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do it. Now I didn't want to start just ordering parts for this car without me getting it running. So I have to get it running before I just go ahead and start ordering stuff for it. And my Caprice is really my main goal right now, because I want to start going to a little bit of car shows, start traveling, because my dad got this car trailer. So I wanted to start traveling, doing little car shows and stuff, you feel me? But this, I'm finna just show y'all a quick little run around, because the video with the Cutlass, it was a little too bright and I didn't know how to work the camera, and I do now. Now, like I said, the soft top gonna get redone. The paint has been sitting here under the trees and stuff, so you feel me? I'm gonna get the paint redone. These wheels not staying on. I'm gonna most likely throw some 4s or some 2s on the custom interior, but it's been sitting, so the sun been, like, you know, baking it. But we ain't worried about that. We're gonna get it cleaned up and touched up. The dash, it ain't really too bad, but like I said, the sun, so, and it cracked it, so I'm gonna have to order a new one of those. Under the hood, like I said before, it's a 5.0 V8 350 motor in it. Let me find my key. I don't know where I put it in, which pocket. Hold on, let me try to find my key. I already told y'all it's cold, so y'all hit that like button for me, bro. I'm doing this for y'all. See, full custom interior, but it's like I said, it's been sitting, so I'm gonna have to get it all touched up. But it ain't really much. It's mainly just that that blue over there. The paint peeling off. And the little T-top. Y'all probably seen it in the thumbnail. I took one of the tops off, took the little picture. Steering wheel, I'm gonna have to get a new one. I don't wanna go aftermarket one. I wanna get an original Oldsmobile Cutlass steering wheel. But I'm finna hook up the battery, see if it crank at least just a little bit, just see if the battery's still a little bit alive. Oh, show y'all the motor real quick. This probably gonna be a little bit of a longer video. Ooh. There it go. Yeah, like I was saying, this probably gonna be a little bit of a longer video because I'll have to figure out what's going on with this car because I really want to start it and move it away. But yeah, here go the 5.0 V8. It's a little dirty, it gotta be touched up under here. But what's that to any car, you feel me? Yep, I'm gonna have to replace this bumper because it's cracking and stuff. So, I'm gonna have to replace it, but it's alright. Let me know what y'all think about the car though. Let me know y'all opinions of what I should do with it. It's a lot of stuff I want to do with it. I have to figure out really why it's not starting. So once I get it started, then we're gonna get everything rolling. I'm gonna move it from here. I'm gonna put it in another location. And I'm still looking for land so I can build me a little garage so I can have all my cars in one spot instead of all like spread it out and stuff because I really don't like that. And I'm looking for a crib so I can have my own crib. Can't have no apartment because I got too many cars already. But yeah. Y'all hit that like button for me. I'm finna try to hook up the battery, see if it crank. So I'll come back to y'all in 1 second. But for me, it's gonna be a couple minutes, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so a subscriber had told me that the wires was wired backwards on the battery. So, I ain't gonna lie, I can't blame that on myself because I didn't do it. All I did was buy a new battery and then plug it up with how the wires were saying. So I don't know who had done that, but I rearranged the wires, so they should be right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if we can start this thing up. See if it crank, hopefully. Come on. Come on, it won't to. You can tell it do. So I'm pretty sure the wires was wrong. So I appreciate that subscriber that told me that. So hopefully this worked, man. Come on, man. It's like it wanna crank, bro. Check and see if the battery working good. Check the headlights. Yep. Headlights on. I'm gonna end up changing them too to the bright LEDs. Headlights on, so the battery good now, dog. Turn that off. I don't know. My dad said that he was gonna come by here, so I'm gonna let him check it out. Then when I get back, when he get here, I'm gonna catch y'all up on what we did whenever he get here. So I'll catch y'all. Well, for y'all be a second, for me it'll be a couple hours. I'll be back though. All right, y'all, after a long days of work, literally hours, I flushed the radiator, put the battery on, did a couple more little tweaks. Let's try and see if it's gonna start, man. I'm gonna do some extra gas in here too. Let's see. My bad. Battery on. There we go. Uh-oh, it's trying to catch. Come on. It's catching now, y'all. Come on. Y'all hear it though, it's trying. There you go. There you go. Uh-oh. That's that V8 talking to y'all. Y'all hear it? Also, to that subscriber who told me that the battery plug is on backwards, man, I appreciate you, dog. No cap. But we got it running. Woo! I ain't heard this car running in a while, dog. I'm so happy. Everything working. I got a little overspill from the antifreeze, but I flushed it on out. Y'all probably can see it like a little wet spot down there. And I flushed the radiator. And to some of my family members that said this car was junk, look at me. Oh my God. Y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. Oh my goodness. Doing a lot of smoking. But it ain't been started. I'll say I ain't started this since I graduated high school. So it's been about 3, 4 years, 5 years since I started it myself. Dog, I'm so happy. Y'all don't understand, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. And as y'all can see, I had to go get my charger. I left a couple things and I had to go get some gas, but I still got my scooter. Hold on, I wanna throw this back on real quick. Hey. 5.0 V8 350 in here. Now that we got it started though, I can get ready to start ordering some of the parts that I need to get to it. This thing sounds so good, dog. But yeah, like I was saying, now that I know I can get it started easily by myself. But I appreciate my pops. My pops came out here and told me what I needed to do. So I can't say I did this all alone, because my pops did come and help me. But now that I got this running, I can go ahead and get ready to start ordering some of the parts. I can start looking for my building like I wanted to do. Yep. So it'll move too. Let me sit y'all up. Y'all understand, I'm cold, my hands is tired, hands is dirty. I want to pull it up just a little bit anyways. Let me sit y'all right here. My bad. The tire's too bad. The tire's not gripping. They not gripping. But it's alright. At least I got it running, dog. But let me come back to y'all in a minute. I'm finna call my pops and let him hear it. So I moved it up a little bit. As y'all can see, it's literally almost stuck in the ground. But this car ain't finna stay here for too much longer. Me and my dad finna go get an alternator, and we're gonna end up throwing the alternator on here. And once I throw that on here, I'm gonna move it somewhere else, so I can have my cars closer together, really. But man, it sounds so good, dog. I need to clean it. That's why I want to move it so bad, though, so I can clean it. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and end this video. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and end the video though. We got it running, so that was the main objective of this video. So I'm finna go ahead and end it. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we got a lot of things coming. A lot. So make sure y'all hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, dog. We got a lot coming. We got the Cutlass and we got the Caprice. And I'm trying to get me another one. So, as y'all can't tell already, I love old school cars, mainly more than any new school cars. The only new school car I really like is the new Charger and the new Challenger. And I'm gonna end up getting a new Charger soon too. So y'all stay tuned for that too. But we going up, dog. Make sure y'all like the video. We got the car started. So that was our main goal. We did it. Now I'm gonna end up moving it. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in another video real soon. Y'all let me know any videos to do too, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm stuck. I don't know what else really to do until I start ordering more parts. But that costs money, dog. So I don't know. Y'all let me know what else kind of videos y'all want to see. I'm really down to do just about anything. I know I'm trying to do a who can make the best outfit from Walmart or like a thrift store with my brother, cause my brother he good with fashion and stuff. I don't really throw on clothes. Y'all can't tell. I throw on sweatpants every day and a pair of tennis shoes. It don't matter. But really just to do anything, dog. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. But make sure y'all hit that like button for me, dog. We got the car started. Sound good too, dog. A lot to come, dog. No cap. A lot to come. I appreciate y'all for watching.